How to connect GoDaddy domain to Hostinger. So hello guys and welcome back for today's video. We're going to show you how you will be able to connect your GoDaddy domain. So in other words, we're transferring our GoDaddy domain to our Hostinger over here. Now you can easily do it inside of Hostinger. So all you need to open in this page is to click on transfers over here, which will allow us to get a domain from another platform, which is GoDaddy over here. So over here, simply click or enter your domain and click on transfer. And there are requirements for transferring domains. As you can see here, it is mentioning the first part, it is going to ask you to have over 60 days has to be passed since the initial domain requirement or registration. The domain has to be unlocked and you need to have the authorization code. All of those information are going to be found in your manage page over here. And after this, you can easily transfer your domain from GoDaddy to Hostinger. If this page is not working, you could go to their transfer page over here in GoDaddy. But as you can see, it's saying I cannot transfer my domain since my domain is currently locked. So you have to unlock that. And basically, that's how you are able to connect these two platforms. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.